For this game, you will need footballs and cones. If you don't have any cones, you can use socks as markers. The kicker must kick footballs from the cones into the field. At this point, the fielders are standing still until the last ball is kicked. The fielders must return the balls as fast as possible whilst the kicker is doing runs. To make the game different, you could throw the balls or use a racket to hit. One. Quick, back on the cones. Good boy, Antonio. Go, Jacko. Keep going.